Dive into a stunning home where classic elegance meets modern comfort, showcasing a timeless interior design with beautiful details and a serene atmosphere. A classic entryway with a black and white checkerboard floor, dark door with brass hardware, and a staircase featuring white balusters and a dark handrail, creating a timeless, elegant look. A cozy dining area with a round wooden table, natural finish chairs, large windows, and a glass pendant light, blending classic and rustic charm. A spacious living room with white paneled walls, a classic fireplace, and a mix of leather and cream seating. Vivid green art, a gallery wall, and rich textures from fabric, leather, and a patterned rug add warmth, blending traditional charm with modern touches and a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. A bright, elegant dining room framed by open archways, with a long wooden table, white slip-covered chairs, and a gallery wall that connects seamlessly to the living space. A modern kitchen with a dark island, white marble countertops, and white cabinetry, anchored by black-framed glass doors that open to lush outdoor views. Brass pendant lights, hardware, and a golden sink add warmth, while stylish stools, a blue vase, and a patterned rug bring color and texture to the clean, sophisticated design. Bedroom with warm colors, rich textures, and an ornate wooden headboard. Quilted bedding, a traditional rug, and classic shutters create comfort, while a dark French door and rustic ceiling fan add contrast and a natural touch. Spa-like bathroom with a light double vanity, marble countertop, and brass fixtures. Symmetry, vintage charm, and modern touches, like a black-framed mirror, create a balanced blend of classic elegance and quiet luxury. A cozy bedside nook with a light upholstered headboard, round wooden table, classic wall sconce, and layered bedding topped with a rich crimson blanket. Compact, elegant vanity with a soft blush cabinet, marble top, and tucked stool, paired with a large mirror and dark shaded sconces for scale and visual interest.